created a page that is called Skill Coach Fixes. On that page, we are going to together as a group and try to create a better skill coach. We should only use Skill Coach Fixes to do this. That means we need to create videos to collaborate with each other. And that means we need to add features to pages that allows us to do that. Because right now I can't add a lesson to pages. So I understand that when I'm creating a page, I can add a lesson. But after a page is created, I can't add a video unless I go here. And I do not want to do that. Instead, I want to create lessons and put lessons on a tab right here. Updates, info, lessons. Here, that allows people to click that and see the lesson within the group. Right? So I need somewhere to add lessons. If I edit the page, this is clunky where it goes white. That's not good, right? We don't like that at all. But regardless, editing the page, nowhere does it say add lessons. In fact, if I look at a little bit about this page, it tells me that there's a widget, again, whiteness. Oh, this is not good. We want it to go white. White is just not a good way of doing this. But there's a widget that says here that the lessons, the page lessons is missing. So 3 missing widgets here. The page lesson is one of those because when I set up the page, I did not select a lesson. Instead, I wanted to select a lesson after I set up the page. In fact, I might even want to remove a lesson from the page. I don't know. It depends because the page is going to live longer than the lessons. So anyway, I want you to look at the page that I've created, and the page is Skill Coach Fixes. Sorry, again, it's the white screen that is not very good here. Look at that. The page, and understand that we're trying to put everything in one place. Meaning that I want the page to have a group. I want the page to have a blog. I want the page to have a store. They all need to be in the same place. Because when a user creates a page, he is naturally going to want to have a group. He doesn't need to, but should be able to add a group either while he's creating the page or afterwards. He's able to create a blog either while he is creating the page or afterwards. He should be able to add lessons either while he is creating the page or afterwards. The other features that we are going to need to include in this feature, understand that what we are going to do together is collaborate through this Skill Coach Fixes page. We're going to collaborate together through the page Skill Coach better. Right now we are using Pivotal, but same type of concept. We want to be organized, and we want to create a page Coach Fixes that allows us to create little projects and allows us to collaborate together. Because that's in essence what we want to have our coaches be able to do. We want our coaches to be able to collaborate together. Create pages, in essence, represent them and allow them to create small businesses. Exactly what we're trying to do. So you and I together are going to use Skill Coach Fixes. Add all the components that we need to make this work. Please do that now. And create groups, and create blogs, and allow us to create them either while we're making the page or afterwards. I want to be able to edit the page and include these as well.